Brothers Classic Truck Parts 21st Annual Show and Shine.
I'm Rick.
Shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. For your sanity.
This is the shack.
Hello and welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel, first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to you. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring ding 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 that bell down there so you're notified when the videos do come out. This is just a quick load video of an event that I went to this weekend. The Brothers Classic Truck Parts, the 21st Annual Show and Shine. It was down in Irvine Lake this year. I went to the same place they had last year. You pulled off free. I'm thinking, wow, where are all the trucks at? There's nothing here. It's not there. I didn't pay attention where it was going. I figured it was just at the same place. My mistake. Never assume. You know what they say when you assume? I did that time. I made an ass of myself. I love to see the old trucks. I like to see all the innovation, new things people come up with, some of the classic stuff. But my thing was I wanted to see more of the trucks that actually had a conversion diesel in their trucks. A couple did, but they were really high end. They weren't just guys like me. They were shops building these beautiful trucks that would probably cost me $180,000 if I wanted to buy it from them. You know, really high end trucks. Didn't find any of them there like that. And the ones that were there, I think there's one my body style, but it was slammed to the ground, so the whole front suspension's out. Completely new custom suspension, so it didn't help me at all in how they set this engine in there. There were a couple, I think there was like 4 total diesels at the show, and the other ones were square bodies, and a couple of them actually made the factory, but square body, its frame is different. Kind of gives me an idea, but it didn't really help my particular situation. So if any of you know anything about stuff like this, especially the 68 to 72 body style on the Chevy, dropping a Cummins 6BT engine in, please hit the comment section below, direct me someplace that I can get more information, because I don't know the geometry. Where I had the engine where I thought was good, lined up, rear end lined up, I was over to the driver's side. It wasn't centered in the frame. If I center it in the frame, my rear end is off center. My tranny and rear don't line up. They're off. My tranny's over here, the rear's over here. So it's going at an angle. The only thing I know, or at least I think I've heard, that the engine doesn't set level, you tilt it at a 3 degrees. That's just what I've heard, and that supposedly helps out with the alignment of the rear end. So I don't know all this stuff. I'm trying to find out, trying to talk to people about it. Haven't got nothing solid, and that's why my truck's been sitting for like last 6 months. I haven't really received solid information that I feel comfortable in getting my engine where they suggest whatever I do, and that's anyway. So these are all the trucks. Didn't really find out what I wanted, but these are the trucks at the show. Just kick back, enjoy, I think 6-7 minutes or 8 minutes, wherever it is, of all the pictures of the trucks. Just kind of go through, check them out. Some really nice ones, some cool vintage stuff. Definitely some high end. At the very end, the last truck was my ultimate favorite. It was a 64, I forget, up to 67 body style. It was stretched to 4-door. Widened rear for dualies, had a 6BT in it, but again, different frame, is all modified. If I seriously won the lottery, I would have offered that guy cash for that truck right then and there. That was my ultimate favorite. He built another one last year, same body style of mine. I just didn't care for it. This one was done unbelievably. I should have actually took more video of this. I think that one will win the show. They did a phenomenal job on it. I actually would love to have my truck stretched to 4-door, lifted, made into a 4-wheel drive. That would be my ultimate truck. Relax, enjoy the video, check out all the trucks that I saw there, a lot of pictures I took, no videos. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, take back, build it for your sanity. Enjoy the video.